Sweating.
We're sweating now.
Watch what you're doing.
And the temperature will determine the sex of the offspring.
Like he likes it.
He
Yeah.
loves it.
Oh, does that feel so nice?
Feel his neck, how strong his neck is.
Oh
Huh?
my goodness, it's like
Oh boy.
what?
Oh, you're just beautiful.
His eyes rolling back because it feels good. I know.
You're so beautiful. Oh, I almost stepped on one. I literally felt the power on my hands just shaking. Get more bananas. No, eat off.
Come on.
Feeling like a spoiled king right now. I bet. This is so yummy.
Hey,
Yeah.
we have a special tortoise food we give them.
You feel the pattern on it?
I do. I'm obsessed with this little guy. Big guy, I should
I
say.
think this is my favorite.
All the other guys are awake.
Oh, he's like, I heard there was some food happening.
Yeah, you're good.
Yummy. Is that delish?
Oh, you're going for that one first. Oh, it's still on his tongue.
If you hold it higher, you hold it up higher. Hold it up here. Yeah, there you go. Now you're doing it. That's it.
Are you walking forward? You kind of like look like a Pokemon.
He does kind of look like a Pokemon.
Kind of looks
I
like
was too
E.T.
scared. I was scared.
Oh, yes.
That's where they got E.T. from.
Oh, you got the whole
That
thing.
makes
You
sense.
got it.
Yeah, the nose and everything.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hold it.
Hold it.
I
Hold
got it.
Yep,
There
good
you
job.
go. Good job.
He was like, I want it.
This is so obvious.
Oh, he
Sorry.
almost.
I'm a little nervous.
Okay, you can bring the watermelon.
You got the watermelon? Okay.
Go ahead. You're gonna love that.
Well,
How long have you been working here?
I've been here for 5 years. Yeah.
Such cool animals, right?
They're amazing, yeah, definitely.
Good with the hose. Here, you can do it like this. Look.
Does he look like, oh, he must love it. Does that feel so good?
Try not to blast his face.
Yeah, just get his body.
Here,
No,
watch, baby. Watch, like this.
oh,
Yeah, there you go. Make sure not his face, though.
Oh, that feels so good, buddy.
Look how he tightens all up. You see him standing up there high?
He's like, that's amazing.
He's like,
Yeah, go all around him. Go all the way
Don't
around
worry,
him.
you're going to get a
It's like
tummy.
you're washing a car.
oh my gosh, right? Like you're watching, he's as big as a golf cart. Hey, buddy.
he's like, I'm standing still.
So you think it just feels good?
All
And
right,
that's
let's take a turn. Go ahead. And then you can give it back. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, now
Use
what
your
you
thumb.
do for the shot, for the camera, you come over here. You keep doing the water. Now, you just scoot under. No, you go right underneath him. You just go right underneath him.
Crawl under.
Crawl under him.
He's not going to do that. Tobias will not do that. Look at Christina, go ahead.
He looks like a statue
Come
right
around
now.
to the front. Come around to the front.
Do
Careful.
you like his neck?
See, he's frozen now.
Yeah, he really is.
Oh, you can
See,
turn
like this here. Come around here.
Nice.
See him stretch a little more there?
I'm like, I'm going to use your phone.
Go ahead like that.
Oh my God, I cannot every time I pick that. It's back. Oh, so sweet. You want to turn now, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now, here. I'll do this part. You guys, you're going to help me wash his face a little, okay? He's got his face, so it's all dirty. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Wash his face. With your hands. Just rub his face.
I'm knowing that.
Mom, we got takers? We need somebody to wash his face.
Mom, go wash his face.
Oh, I like the face.
Go ahead. Yeah, just rub your hands all over his face.
Really?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, do the whole thing. Go to get the eyes. That's it. Get all of that there. You can be a little bit more here. You can be a little bit more manhandling.
Hi, gorgeous.
Got your eyes. Look on your eyes
Oh,
and
he's
your
just
beak.
such a good
Look at this
guy.
beak is all clean here.
Do you think it feels good, like rubbing,
Oh,
like he
yeah.
likes it?
He loves it.
Oh, does that feel so nice?
Feel his neck, how strong his neck is,
Oh
huh?
my, it is. It's like,
Oh, boy.
What?
hi,
Oh, you're just beautiful.
his eyes rolling back because it feels good.
I know.
But do they have any, like if I touch here, there's no feeling?
Yes, they
A
feel.
little bit?
Mhm, they do feel.
Really?
They have nerve endings in their shell.
Really? I didn't know that. You're beautiful. They have they can feel the shell has nerve endings.
Oh.
I did not know that at all. That's super nice. Sorry to wake you from your siesta.
So the girls are 22 years old. This is a full-grown female. They only start laying eggs about this age. They only come to sexual maturity about this age. These 3 males I've raised from hatchlings. I used to hold them like this. He's 38, 37, 36 years old.
Oh my gosh.
So I raised them from hatchlings. These are Aldabras. You see how they have a different face than he does?
Yeah.
2 giant tortoises
No,
left
we
in
already
the
got
world.
one right
The
there.
ones in the Seychelles, which is about 1,200 miles off that eastern coast of Madagascar Ocean. And then these, which are Galapagos, which come from 600 miles off the western coast of Ecuador.
Guys, we gotta go feed these nurses.
Yeah, they're really incredible animals. They have, they're because they're
Is there any
reptiles.
more that I can
You know, they're in complete control of their body functions. You know, they can slow their breathing down so they can stay hours underneath the water. Yeah, hours.
I did not know that. I love learning
feed
new
us?
stuff.
So
Hey,
back-
put one down. He doesn't want them.
back in the
Hey,
15 and 1600s,
hey,
what they
there's a
used to
sticker
do
on that.
was they would collect these animals from the Galapagos, and they would put them in the ships,
Oh,
and they would sail around the world,
Put it down.
and that way they could slaughter them. They always had fresh meat because they don't have to feed them or give them water for a year.
no,
They
hand
would
up.
build these chambers inside the bottom of the ship and they would actually use them as ballast to help the ship ballast the way it's supposed to. So they would actually slaughter them as they went, because no other animal can really live for a year without food or water. But these guys could.
Oh, so I wonder what turtle tastes like. It tastes like food, I guess. If you're on a boat and you have nothing else. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, this has a huge liver, so a lot of them ate the liver.
Oh.
But these guys, this design goes back about 200 million years. Before 200 million years, these animals, some of them didn't have a splash ground, they didn't have a bottom. Some of them had a club on their tail. So they didn't look like the modern tortoises that we see today. So this design, this body design, where they're able to pull all their legs inside their shell, is about 200 million years old. And like I say, when you go back further, then you see some different ones. Some had teeth, they didn't have a beak. So what's kind of interesting is 66 million years ago is when the meteor hit the Earth and wiped out 75% of the animals. So these guys are survivors of the mass extinction.
You and cockroaches, baby.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah,
That is so cool.
yeah. The females, they have, like I was saying before, they have a tremendous ability to control their biology. The females,
That one, that's an animal.
the girls don't eat like the boys do. Oh, look at them.
Oh, there we go, there we go. I just gave it the banana and it takes some time. I need to shut this down.
That's pretty cool, right? That's awesome.
I'll put it down just get close to my hand.
Good job.
Another banana.
Look at them. They're just like, they're like, oh, you got bananas?
Okay, so come closer, folks.
Like, just kind
Oh,
of.
whoa, did you see that massive?
Tobias, do you want to come over on this side to this guy over here?
Parenthood. Parenthood.
Listen to this. Say it again.
The females have a special gland, and they store the sperm.
Look at these ones. They're
And
just
they can
fighting for
inseminate
the banana.
themselves 3 years later.
This one's
So they go around, they look, They're waiting for which way the wind blows, how much rain there is, what the temperature is. And what they have a tremendous memory, a tremendous history of weather. So they're trying to calculate, when I lay these eggs 100 days later, when will they hatch? What will the conditions be based on the historical events? They know what to lay. Now, not only do the females do that, they have a sense for how big the herd is, how many males and how many females. I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
So, depending on if the females think there needs to be more males in the herd, what they do is they dig the nest deeper. And by digging the nest deeper, it's a little cooler, and the temperature will determine the sex of the offspring.
That's some control.
Yeah,
Crazy.
Planned Parenthood, huh?
Oh my God.
At its best.
Think of it on humans, but that'd be trouble up to 3 years.
Yeah.
You guys would be sweating.
Yeah,
Sweating.
we're sweating now.
You would watch what you're doing.
So, yeah, it's kind of, not only that, they control if it's male or female.
That's
Because it's temperature related.
so
Hank was
cute.
feeding
Yeah.
Hank.
Hank the Tank. Oh, that is.
Yeah, there's a story where one of these tortoises was on the island of Madagascar. He got too close to the shoreline and he got carried away into the ocean. They sent boats out and stuff to look for him, but they never could find him. 6 months later, he crashes up on the shore, the western shore of India. Lands on the beach, gets up, starts walking, covered in barnacles.
Oh, he's
He
holding it.
lived for 6 months out on the
Now
ocean,
he,
bobbing and weaving, no food, no
I
water, he
love how
doesn't
they
drink the
just,
salt water.
when they eat,
No food,
sometimes
no
they
water.
put down
Could you
their
imagine
hook downs.
6 months by yourself? He's not even in his natural environment. I can't think of any other animal that's not in their natural environment without food or water, floating around in the ocean there 6 months through the storms and everything. And we could hardly have a boat that goes through there without having a problem, you know?
So their ability to survive is just
Their ability
unbelievable.
is just unmatched. They're such a defensive animal. They'll pull themselves inside their shell, and basically like when they get attacked, there's these sulcata tortoises that live in Africa, and when they get attacked by the lions, some of these animals, they would actually have claw marks and bite marks on their shells, because when the lions would go to attack the tortoises, they couldn't get inside. They were too well protected. The tortoise just he'd be right there in the desert, he'd just pull himself inside the shell, and he'd just wait for that sucker to die. I'll stay here all day, I'll wait for you to die.
Oh my God.
And then the lions, the predators, they can't spend that much time
So they move
to
on.
get that much meat, and they just move on.
Wow.
Yeah,
Incredible.
it's pretty amazing how they've adapted.
Yeah, when he ate it, he kind of fell out of my hand and then it went down there.
Now he's just happy.
Now,
So they won't get any bigger than that. That's as big as.
no, a little bit. They can get a couple inches bigger. Yeah, because they're young feeders.
Yeah, they're 22.
22.
So like me.
Oh,
Yes.
take this one. He's out of food.
I know we married young.
Put it down.
Yeah. It was illegal in most states, actually.
That's why you moved to Arizona.
He's like, they got married in the Middle East.
Alabama.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's kind of interesting. These guys are living dinosaurs.
Oh, look at this guy.
They
Here
lived
trying
along
to get
with
the
the
watermelon.
dinosaurs before.
Oh yeah, Ado.
He's trying to get that watermelon over there.
Oh, he's stealing it.
Oh my
He's
God, I
stealing
love
off the
him.
table.
Look at that.
Don't get too close. Have to back up.
Okay, back up, guys. Sophia, hey, back up. Sam said back up. Give him some spaces. Okay, he's like, if I roll it, I'm going to. You gotta bite.
He's pulling it down.
Oh, baby, got it on that head. Are you okay? He's like, I can't find it. You have to, yeah.
These are 3-year-old Aldabras.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
These are the babies.
these are the babies. These are 3 years old.
No.
The big guys you just fed. These are
Yeah.
little babies.
Oh, they are. Okay, so the
Which
ones
one's-
over there are full grown, right? And the other
This is
first pen?
yeah. Those are red
Those are
feet.
full grown.
They're full grown.
Okay.
These are the giants, but these are only 3 years old.
Oh my gosh. Hello, little babies.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
You wanna
That's
see
the Aldabra.
Mom? Honey, look at that.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, these guys are big.
They would probably like bite you.
You keep having lizards in your backyard, right?
No, we get lots.
These are different types of lizards.
Yeah, we get
The-
iguanas. Yeah.
Most of those are tree iguanas. These are ground iguanas. They actually dig tunnels in the ground.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
so cool.
They look like little dinosaurs.
Yes, they're really cool. I like all their spikes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the smaller of the two are the girls then, yeah?
Yep.
Man, you guys do some
Tortoise.
Yeah, they're big, bushy poops because they eat a lot of grass,
Yeah,
but they don't smell.
because it's just like hot cow with grass. Oh, these are interesting. And how old are these guys?
These guys are about they run between about 20 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Ivory sulcata.
This animal here is she's well, that's the one from Spain, so she's 22 as well.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but she's the same kind of tortoise as this guy?
Yeah, that's an Aldabra too.
Okay. Sub-adult.
Let's go this way here.
Some of these big lizards. This one.
See these ones here?
Yes.
Oh my God.
That's Lewisii. There's only about 200 left in the wild.
Really?
Yeah. Check these.
Oh, he's cool
Is he?
looking. Look at his.
Who's that?
Oh, look at his coloring.
Now that's a tree iguana. That's a green iguana.
Is that yours?
He lives here.
Yeah.
Did he just live in the
Does he go explore and come back?
No, he stays right around here.
He knows where the food is.
Look at the horns on these animals. Look at the horns.
Oh, yeah, look at the one. Morpholopteros. So, he was talking about that only one male can fight.
These are really, they got small holes. Honey. Look at his.
The galops will, but not the Aldabras.
So what? How do they just will fight really?
They'll ram each other, try to flip the other guy over. They'll bite them. Usually they try to flip them over.
So how
This
old
is
do
a-
you have? How old? Oh, even the babies will.
No, the babies don't fight.
So once they hit like juvenile, like adult age, then you gotta.
Yeah. The galops will always fight. The Aldabras are social and they don't fight. So the best. Those why I have 3 males together.
Yeah.
But Adolf is by himself because he's Galapagos.
Okay.
You can't mix the males.
Wow. So even when they're elderly, they'll still try to fight.
Oh yeah, also,
Yeah.
because they have their hormones. They're more interested in the girls. They have to kill the other guy. It's just like humans.
Humans. Yeah, exactly. Just like humans when no one's looking. Yeah.
Yeah, they can.
Get like orange, bright orange.
Oh, because they want to be like, hey, lady.
Yeah, they got to get, and they put their they'll put their dewlap out to attract the females.
That's so cute.
Yeah,
They're
it's like a
"Check this
flag.
out." Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
I'm over here, ladies.
Yeah. Hey, cuties. Yeah. Look at the little horn.
He's a rhinoceros.
Yeah.
Well, that is so cool. I love reptiles. Little feetsies.
You want to go in? I'll hold the door. Okay,
Go ahead.
come on in.
What are these? Thanks, Sam.
Wait, can we go in?
These are babies.
Can we go in the thing?
Yeah, you can go in here.
How old are they?
6 months old.
Oh, they are so cute.
Is this some?
He's got a little food on him because they eat. But here, take a look. Hold them.
Really?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Can I hold one? Can I hold one?
Yes, 2 hands. Carefully, one on the bottom, one on the top. Okay, hold. Very carefully. Give it a good grip. Okay, give it a good grip.
Here you go.
Wait. What about Tobias? What
You want to hold Tobias? Go ahead and hold that one, sweetheart.
Can I have a hold another one? Can you get one for me, please?
Yeah, go ahead, grab one.
Ow.
Right there.
Ow. Tobias, look at Mama. Tobias, look at Mama. Can you do this one too?
I'm holding them.
Mixers. Let me see, baby. I want to go back to her. Oh my, are you guys the cutest
Trying to
things
walk.
ever?
They look really fast.
And they can swim immediately, right? Like if they needed to.
They just float. They're a tortoise. It's not a turtle, so it doesn't live in the water.
Can just, that's the one that survived in the ocean.
Yes, it just because they don't have flippers. They got stump feet like an elephant.
Oh, but it's a floating is the survival method.
Yeah.
Okay. That is cool.
I like water. I
This
would
is
come hold one over here.
They're so cute. Look at this. Is this the tiniest one right there?
No, I think there's,
Yeah. Look at this one.
there was some in the houses too.
Is this the tiniest one?
That's a tiny one there.
Wait, that one's so tiny.
Yeah, you can just lift the top up if you like.
I think they're all out.
Yeah, the big ones are in the house. Yeah. They're like, hey.
Oh, stop on this one. I didn't realize this is the most amazing thing. Hey, buddy, this is so cute.
See, we raise the babies inside this room.
Yeah, what's that?
Well, they're protected against raccoons and dogs and stuff like that.
Yeah, big birds.
Yeah,
Like anything
yeah,
that
yeah.
would come and get them.
Yeah.
Will other
But
lizards
this is
eat
the
them?
biggest one, I think.
Other what?
Lizards?
No.
Okay, I didn't know. Maybe it's them.
I know. Look, this is the sixth. The second. Just be careful when you walk. I think this is the second biggest one.
Yeah, huh?
That's the biggest one right there.
Hank, pick that one up again so we can see a nice picture with you.
Yeah. For your dad.
Yeah.
I think he.
Hold them up high. There you
Dad's
go.
gonna be so excited that you did that, baby.
They're both. I think they're so good. I'm gonna hold the biggest one, wherever it is. There's the one. Oh. That was the smallest one right there. Oh, I can still hold the big one, right?
Go ahead.
The smaller are the female again. And then,
No, not here.
oh, not here.
No, it just depends on age. One could be 9 months old, one could be 6 months old.
Oh, thank you.
They'll grow a quarter to a half an inch a month. 5 inches a year they'll grow.
I love you so much.
I just wanted to. Tobias, you want to hold the biggest one right here? No.
No, thank you.
Come on, let's get a picture with everybody.
Yeah.